Hey everybody, it's Ronnie with Lonestar Trenchless. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the benefits of doing a trenchless sewer line replacement. In today's video, I'm going to show you where we're able to go in, make small penetration at the house and pull a new sewer line, missing swimming pool equipment, missing swimming pool coping, going underneath the retainer wall, and saving an old shade tree. We were able to do this, replace a whole sewer line without disturbing any of that, saving the customer thousands and thousands of dollars in repair and replacement. By not having to dig all that stuff up manually, we're able to do it trenchlessly. If you have any type of landscape, circular driveway, sidewalks, change in elevation, we can actually pass our cable through and we can pull a whole new line without having to do major excavation to your property. Just imagine all the sprinkler system that you may have in, the electrical wires, telephone wires, cable, TV, internet. What I'm doing is I'm setting up, this is the old sewer line here. I'm setting up the trip plate. Our actual ram is going to mount here on the plate. And then I'm trying to chalk it and get it lined up. The important thing is to get the cable going straight down the pipe. That way we don't have any bellies or issues. I'm just trying to set this end up. As soon as we get this where we want it, we'll be passing the cable from the alley side up to the house, and that way we can attach the cable and we can start pulling. There we go. Nice. All right, these are the hydraulic lines, Joel. This is our hydraulic pump over here. This is what creates all the power to operate that ram and make the pistons pump in and out, and that's what's going to pull the cable. Pull the bullet all the way into the head, and then that'll give us plenty of room. There it is. All right. Good. So what we'll do is we'll pull to a 3 foot and then reline this up.